Let's read the story, The Little Match Girl. In the icy chill of a snowy New Year's Eve, a young girl, barefoot with thin clothes, her riding hood is no protection against the cold, roamed the streets with nothing but a few matches to sell. She was the little match girl, orphaned and destitute, trying to eke out a meager living for her in a world unkind to the poor. As night fell, the little match girl wandered through the silent, snow-covered streets. She was shivering from the cold and had nowhere to go. With trembling hands, she lit a match to warm herself, but the flame quickly extinguished in the biting wind. Desperate to find solace from the freezing cold, she struck another match. This time, the tiny flame revealed a vision, a warm stove, a table spread with a sumptuous feast, and a Christmas tree adorned with candles and decorations. The girl basked in the fleeting warmth, envisioning a momentary escape from her dire reality. As the match burned brighter, she saw a vision of her grandmother, her only source of love and warmth, who had passed away. Overwhelmed by longing and sorrow, the little match girl struck more matches, each one conjuring scenes of comfort and happiness, a fleeting respite from her harsh reality. In the glow of the matches, she saw visions of a world where love, warmth, and abundance reigned. But as each match burned out, the illusions dissipated, leaving her alone in the freezing night. In a final attempt to find solace, the little match girl struck all the remaining matches at once, hoping to immerse herself in their fleeting warmth. This time, the flames soared higher and brighter than ever before. In the radiant glow, the little match girl saw a vision that filled her heart with love and comfort. She saw her beloved grandmother, smiling and reaching out to her, surrounded by a heavenly light. Overwhelmed with joy, the girl felt her grandmother's warm embrace and experienced a moment of pure bliss. But as the last match burned out, the visions vanished, and the harsh reality returned. The little match girl lay in the snow, her tiny body no longer able to withstand the bitter cold. The following morning, passers-by found the little match girl, her lifeless form nestled in the snow. She wore a serene smile on her face, and in her frozen hand were the remaining unused matches. As the people gazed upon her, they felt a pang of sorrow for the poor girl who had perished in the cold. Yet, they knew nothing of the beautiful visions that had brought solace to her final moments. Despite the tragic end to her short life, the little match girl's spirit ascended to a realm of eternal warmth and love, reunited with her beloved grandmother in a place where suffering and poverty held no power. Her story served as a poignant reminder of the plight of the poor and the importance of compassion and kindness. Though her life was marked by poverty and hardship, her brief existence touched the hearts of those who heard her tale, inspiring empathy and a greater appreciation for the warmth and love we can offer to those in need. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.